has kind of an idea of base, right? We're all standing relaxed right now. And, you know, I'll quote Adrian, he once said this, you know, base or stance, you know, training martial arts, striking, you might call it a stance. You know, that he said, my stance is not something I fight in, it's something I fight through, right? I don't fight in my stance, I fight through my stance, right? So think about, like when I think about that statement, I'm like, okay, that means there's distribution of weight, right? I think there's like back stances in Muay Thai, or in your traditional martial arts, so a back stance, right? We'll see kind of some linkages and similarities there, but just a lot of the standing defense against whether it's a front headlock guillotine attempt, side, or from the back is going to involve base. We're just going to call it base, okay? And we'll talk about instead of back stance, front stance, middle stance, distribution of weight. We'll be shifting our weight. That's it, okay? So I like to call these body wiring drills. It's a term from a friend of mine. Taylor? Okay, so first let's just understand this idea and just stay relaxed, right? Here, see how I made you do that? Okay. So bring your weight forward into the balls of your feet. Right, now I can lean everything forward and a little less, go back to about where you were, right? Yes. That way if I move my hands off your shoulders, you don't fall, right? So it's a simple, like it could be a push defense, right? Go ahead and push my shoulders, right there, right? And then I can clear that. But this is just the distribution of weight side of what we're gonna do today. So forward, good, back to normal. Okay, think about this, we lie on this way. Yeah, keep me engaged. Right, so here, instead of just dropping your legs straight, yeah, that's good. Right, just a little bit, way here. Yeah, there you go, there you go. So, instead of this down, I want to go down and back. You feel how I'm sitting on your thigh? Okay. So push my chest here. Right? Just that. Right? From here, push my side. Right? I can clench after this. Okay? So if I'm here, right? With judo, the last thing you ever want to do, and I did judo all coming up, is keep your feet crossed, right? And there's sometimes where it looks like you might be doing that to enter a throat, but it's not the same as if someone made you do it and you're off balance, okay? Now, so drop your weight down. Good. Now, that's the down part. Now kind of make your hips go back on my thigh. Yes. Lean forward a little bit. Yes. You do not feel like you look. Like you say, you don't feel like you look. When this guy's smaller than this, be able to pick him up. And then that's the thoughts you're making your opponent, right? I want to make everything inefficient for you, right? I want to push you, and I do it again. It makes you tired. You don't move, right? You think this is making him tired? Okay. So let's work on this base, and we'll real quickly add on to that. Okay. 1, 2.